With resilience, we sparkle our dreams, opening up possibilities for the future. With faith, we empower our country's outgrowth in manufacturing. With passion, we offer services that bring warmth to our customers. Dongguan Dawang Group, a renowned enterprise established in 1999 in Dongguan, known as the World Manufacturing City, has over 20 years of dedication. The group now owns Dongguan Dawang Precision Plastic Technology Company Limited, Dongguan Empowering Intelligent Device Technology Company Limited, Dawang Mould Company Limited, Hong Kong, DW Technologies Pte Limited, Singapore, and Dawang Precision Technology Thailand Company Limited as a high-tech group with a 90,600 square meter modernized industry park, 500 employees, and its own brand Dawang. We integrate R&D, manufacturing, and sales of tooling fixtures, precision parts, plastic metal molds, injection molding, and automation equipment. Certified by the National Credit Certificate, we also hold the title of Employee Satisfaction Enterprise. Our R&D and Innovation Center is equipped with a professional team, IP rights and features, an MPI office, a workshop for standardized design and comprehensive 3D, and it develops automate testing and supporting equipment. Our intelligent manufacturing center houses precision equipment such as lathe, milling, grinders, wire cutting, EDM, 3/5-axis CNCs, and injection molding machines. We offer customized products within 0.005 centimeters accuracy, featuring brands like Rose, Mazak, Micron, Makino, and JD. Our Quality Control Center has established a pioneering self-injection and self-testing system and equipped with Zeiss CMM's 2.5D systems, height gaugers, calipers, and microscopes to collect and analyze accurate data. Our products, ranging from 3C digital to medical technology, semiconductors, aviation, automotive, and new energy, are exported to both domestic and international markets. We aim to offer one-stop solutions by streamlining R&D, design, production, and customer service through our ERP information management system. Dawang has strategic partnerships with more than 30 listed companies, including Luxury Precision, Linyi, Goretech, Foxcam, Carl Zeiss Medica, J, Cosmor, etc., and receives unanimous customer praise.
达旺集团将不断地提高技术水平和生产能力，为客户提供高精密、高性价比的产品和服务，成为中国模具制造行业的领先品牌。
We will enhance technical strength and capacity to provide precision, cost-effective products and services to become a leading brand in China's mold manufacturing sector, with keen craftsmanship and a pursuit for excellency to boost China's manufacturing. We enjoy the benefits from China's rapidly growing manufacturing industry, pushing for constant improvements and embracing the blue ocean of intelligent precision mold manufacturing.